Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Facebook. Alright, there are two ways to block someone on Facebook. The number one here is by using the search bar. Alright, tap the search bar, look for the person. For example, this guy right here, which is the only friend I have. I'm going to tap on it. Alright, then you're going to want to go to the three dots right here. Alright, besides the message icon. Three dots, tap on it. And as you can see, in these options, block is available. Just click on it or tap if you're using a mobile device. As you can see, are you sure you want to block the person? This person will no longer be able to see your photos, tag you, see your post, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, or add you as a friend. Blocking will also unfriend the person. If you just want to limit what you share with the person or see less of him on Facebook, you can take a break from him instead. Alright? Hit unblock if you're really sure. Now, another option I'll show you is by going to your profile right here at the top right. See your profile. In here, just go ahead over to your friends list, find friends, your friends, tap the three dots, and hit on block. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.